To use the Make Edge or Face tool, you need to select two edges or two vertices, depending on what you want, and hit the F key. You can use this with vertices to make an edge or a face, depending on how much you are wanting to fill. In edge mode, you can just select both of those and it fills out a face for you. It also will fill out n-gons for you quite nicely. But if you want something with a hole in it, you'll have to use the Fill tool, which is separate, where you can use that with Alt-F. Now sometimes you may have many connected edges without interior faces, and this is called an edge net. And you can use the Make Edges or Faces tool to fill all this geometry in very cleanly. And here's another example, and here is another example. Beautiful. When there are many isolated vertices, Blender will calculate the edges for an n-gon. These are called point clouds, in case you're wondering. Got that off the documentation. Documentation is beautiful, by the way. Now, sometimes it doesn't do a very good job. I mean, this is hideous, but just know that it has its limits. Now, here's a cool, handy tip. You can select the vertex in this kind of situation, and if you were to hit F, it would detect all the way up to where there's another vertex and fill a face up to that point. And then it will keep going as well. If I hit F again, F again. Now, it's just detecting the next vertex and filling up to that point. So, very cool, very handy. And this works with edges too. If I just select this edge, hit F, oof, fills it right in. Beautiful. And that is the Make Edge and Face tool.